Hello traders, this is Will from Will to Trade, and I wanted to make a quick video about GNCA. That's right, GNCA, another monster mover today, March 31st. Recording this video late night, March 31st, just before April 1st. I want to go over GNCA because one of our members, our new members, alerted this stock in the middle of the day. And I want to go over some of the levels and key points of support and resistance because this mover was just unbelievable. So we are looking right now at the chart in 5-minute candles. You see it gaps up pre-market and it kind of falls down, reaches a peak of 565. Huge sell-off, huge red candle, and then sell-off, 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 and then just bases. Look at this, just bases for, what is this, like 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. That's a long time of base or consolidation. This is a huge cup. Look how huge this cup is. Huge cup. And when it finally breaks through the top part of the first 5-minute candle, boom, look at that. Look at this volume down here. Just unbelievable volume. Almost no volume in the middle of the day. And explosion, explosion, explosion. We had a member that alerted this stock. Let me zoom in here, where he actually made a buy at right at this mark here, 566. That's 566, and then he actually sold at 696, 696, somewhere in that neighborhood, for about a 23% gain. Just incredible gain that I didn't alert. One of our members alerted it. That's the benefit of being in our room, our free chat room. Not only will I post alerts, but our members post alerts. We have so many eyes looking at all these stocks in play that you're going to find a winner with one of these alerts. So notice here, once it takes off, it just moves. And these are 5-minute candles. Pulls back a little bit, consolidates, moves, boom, takes off. And then in the after hours, it continues to run to a high of 845. So from his initial alert to the high of the after hours, it's a 50% gain, a 50% run. Unbelievable. But I just wanted to kind of go over a couple of different strategies of how you could have traded this just to maximize your profit. And all these red lines are very key points here. So no one's going to know how far it's going to run. No way to be able to predict that. But you know that when you see this huge consolidation, let me zoom back in here, something could happen. It consolidates, boom. So one strategy, one approach is to place your buy right there, exactly the 566 mark. Buy, stop, $5.66. Perfect. Place your stop somewhere around here, 535, 540, what have you, and let it run up past your purchase price, let it run a little bit more, and then you raise your stop right here. You raise your stop to break even. So worst case, if the stock turns on you, you at least are going to break even on it. Obviously, no one wants to trade to break even, but at least you don't lose anything. Now notice we have this red line here. This red line is at six even, just for simplicity. So this is really the strategy of a trailing stop. A trailing stop for a stock that runs and runs and runs. You don't know how far it's going to run, but you're going to keep raising that stop little by little as far as you can go. So it runs up here past six, and then you say, you know what? I want to raise my stop. I want to raise my stop from 566 to 600. Now I'm in a profit mode. I bought at 566, and I'm going to at least capture up to $6. That's a nice gain. So notice you let it fall back. It's okay. You're still in profit mode. It consolidates, goes up, and you wait for it a little bit more. Boom. And right here, just for simple, even round numbers, is 700. So now it pops up to 7, and you're really in profit mode. But if you're day trading and you're thinking, okay, no matter what, I want to get out of this position before the day is over, now you could switch your stop to an OCO. If you're new to OCO, send me an email, and I'll be glad to explain in great detail what OCO is all about. But basically, an OCO is having 2 orders at the same time, a limit to sell up here, and a stop down there. An OCO just stands for one cancels the other. So you're sort of trapping, if you will, the stock price. Up here at, again, just an even number at $8, and then down here and an even number of $7. We're trying to keep things as simple as possible. We have $6, $7, $8. The only reason we have a $1 limit here is because, look, you only have like 15 minutes or so left in the day. Let's see if we can capture some gains. Once you put in your buy limit or sell limit $8, and you also have your stop here at $7, pretty much one of two things is going to happen. Either going to go all the way to 8 and ding, 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 you'll be able to sell at 8 and capture some amazing gains, or worst case, fall back down to 7, but that's okay. Because here, just at the point of takeoff, and then even if it runs, and then it falls, and you sell at 7, that's still a huge gain. You can't really use an O in the after hours, even though these lines are still here, because after hours you can only sell at a limit. So it's a little trickier in after hours, and who could predict that it would continue to run all the way to 8:45? An amazing, incredible runner, GNCA. If you participated in GNCA's gains today, I would love to hear about it. Go ahead and comment down below. If you like this video and want to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And most importantly, if you like what you hear and you want to jump into our free chat room, go ahead and send an email to thewilltotrade@gmail.com, and I'll get you set up. Thanks so much. Have a great day.